McLaren?
Yeah, that's a McLaren.
It's a McLaren, y'all.
That's a McLaren. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's the one you like.
Yeah, that's the one I like right here. Like, that's the one I like. Supra, definitely. M4 is okay.
You're like, what about the Ferrari?
Yeah, Ferrari's okay.
For John.
I'll take the Supra. I'll take a Supra. Here's another Ferrari. Yeah. But I would take a Supra.
These towers. Korean tofu house. Oh yeah, this is where we came out last time.
Come on, sir.
Then we crossed the street.
Yep, across the street
We're
that
gonna
way.
get run over.
You still gotta pay.
Hey.
Silly goose.
You know, other places they like put weird stuff in it, like powders. Oh, they're still doing it.
Ah, we already took it out.
I'll try to come in here tomorrow when I'm not full of everything. That's pretty good.
They mix it. Mix it.
Yeah, that's how they make it cool. Shake it. Goes from hot to cold. Hello guys, this place is called Big Appetite, and when you come in here you want to be coming in with the quickness, okay? What people do is they put their stuff down to claim their spot.
Your phone?
I mean, I saw phones, I saw napkins, I saw paper towels. People were claiming spots, okay, without even getting their food first. So apparently the culture here is you claim your table, then you go get in line for food. Now, this is where you come for the beverages, the fruit beverages, and also the desserts. And then over here you got Indonesian delight and also some Japanese flavors. But some of the ones that I want to try is the Thai cuisine. I love Thai. But look. There's like a noodle house, and we tried that today. It was, what did you think? Was it a good? Yeah, it was pretty good. And then there's the Sultan curry. You've got curry over there in the corner. But it's Indian food, and I could go crazy over Indian food. And soup. Herbal soup? Like, okay, I think I'd probably go for the herbal soup if I was trying to keep a low carb, low calorie diet. So yeah, nutritious soup, okay? This is good stuff. How much is it anyway? $6. $6, $5. That's a pretty good price for a soup. And they come out really hot, real delicious. And it's fresh. It's like, it's good. It's good food. Okay, guys? Today I had Japanese food. The Japanese food is so good. We got it from right here. And we ordered a bunch of food. I got like 4 different meals. And I ordered got the 27. I got this one. I also got one of the bento plates. I can't remember which one, but my total came out to $26. Okay, and that's Singapore dollars. So if you're spending US dollars, well then, you know, it's a little cheaper. And then there's the grill, Australian. And over here we got Chinese cuisine. $8, $9, $8. And like these are big meals. It's not gonna like be a really small dish. It's really big, really full. Last one here,
This one had a long line.
mixed vegetable rice.
This one had a long line. Long line.
Yeah, we can't wait to come back here tomorrow and eat some more good food. When you're in Singapore, you can't be on a diet. I want to take you inside Singapore's biggest arcade, okay? And I'm just going to tell you right now, Asians like to play games. And this is like a big casino for kids. Come on, let's go look. All the prizes you can win. Look at all these prizes. How many tokens you need? 20,000 tokens. 75,000 tokens. I feel like I could buy all this stuff and just like have it without having to play all these games. But oh my god, right now they're putting it in and it's like 1,000, 7,000. Wait, so I saw a guy winning. I was watching him and he was like winning every time. I want to go take a look at that game in particular and see what he was winning. them. They're like these little cards. He was winning a lot, so. I guess you have to like get these and then you win those prizes back there. Something like that. But there was a guy who was literally winning all of these. People obviously win. That's a game that you can win. Somebody's tried this today because earlier all of these were dressed really nicely and now they're kind of like falling over. So I know someone's been trying to win this too. Everyone, we just went underground to get over here, but we're in the middle of all the towers, and I think you can see that we're in the center of the road right here. We're in the center of the road, and there is like a water display. Watch your step. Oh yeah, you can get down there. One more floor. Oh, where all the food was. We just walked by all the food earlier. Lots of food underneath. There's so much food at this mall. It's insane how much food there is at this mall. But it's actually cheaper to eat at the mall than it is at the hotel. So if you're looking for some good food, walk a little bit out of your hotel and come eat down here. Ah, there's the Conrad. It's beautiful up there. Okay, and yeah, you can see inside the windows. So don't stand naked in front of your door, your window.
Okay, we are in the center right now. We're gonna go underneath.
Down. Okay, so in Singapore, word is that you cannot J-cross. We were told...
J-cross? Jaywalk.
Jaywalk. We were told not to jaywalk here. That'll be a ticket that we get. So we're like trying not to do that. So come on. Let's go down.
But we're trying to come from here to go over there. Where that guy is. You know, the infrastructure of this place is really nice. They definitely dug in underneath for the infrastructure.
Yeah, they thought it out.
They're very, very well thought out. And everything is somewhat connected to each other, not like an afterthought.
I wonder how the public transportation is.
I wonder, too. Or do you think there's a walkway that?
I don't know. I think we can go that way to cross the street. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I mean, we can walk that way, but I don't know.
All right, well, we're actually under those towers. I think those towers are residential. You think?
All of it residential. Yeah, I think people live in these towers.
Yeah, I think those towers are definitely residential.
Beautiful live fish.
Oh, that's the bottom part, I think.
Yeah, this is where you go up there to go see the water.
That's where you go to see the water.
Fountain of Wealth. Touch water session timing. Free entry, open from those times.
Let's see what's over here.
Crystal jade. Oh, wow. Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy, 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 yum.
Lots of yum yums. It's an Asian food. Like, just yum.
Yeah,
Delicious.
these places have good food. Wait
Alright,
to
here we go.
open.
It says touch free. If we go across that way. Okay, well, I
Not
think
this
we
way?
crossed the street. Did you?
I think we crossed the
What is
street.
that? What's that over there?
Oh,
Is that gonna take us somewhere?
I don't know.
Whoa, maybe that's the underground, maybe that's where you go to catch the MRT.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try this way. It's all dark. Dark alley that way. Dark alley this way.
No smoking, by law. Quit smoking. Call the unlimited line. Quit smoking.
Okay, so we're in an alley or underground area, and I feel pretty safe.
Yeah.
I feel safe.
Singapore does feel safe.
Um,
It's pretty clean for the
Oh.
most part.
it's very clean compared to
Very clean. Compared
San
to
Francisco
LA,
or LA.
San Diego.
Yeah, look at this place.
Yeah, this place is clean. Woo. All right. What did we cross?
I think we can cross right here.
No, babe. We're already on the side we want to be on.
No.
This is the corner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Come on, I'll take it to my crib.
You okay?
I just bought these new boots. They're really good.
I'm glad you're wearing boots.
Royal Collection. Those are apartments. This has gotta be apartments. Oh. Where? Crosswalk. No ticket. All right, we're almost into our hotel. Welcome to our crib. What'd you think about the mall?
It was nice.
Yeah, what'd you think about everything?
It was good.
Singapore?
I like Singapore. Okay, what is it?
You're my cuddle buddy.
Your cuddle bunny?
And I'll put this in my hair tomorrow.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
I love you.
We got them at the store.
That I wanted the money at?
Yeah, we're looking.